Hey, I'm Cesar from Chatwith. Today we are going to reply to a comment, a question from a user who was, asking if this can be done. The idea is to send the bookings to a Google Sheet and to add, some values about if it's a schedule or not, some notes from the agent, some extra steps that you may need or not. So this is something that some parts are 100% ready, some others are not. So we are going to keep working to do something like this, so the idea is to 100% complete this requirement. But I'm going to share with you what we have and what you can do. Let's go step by step. We have a widget. This widget has some agents. The agent has the calendar, the booking, everything. First, obviously, we need to set up the integration with Zapier. To send data to Google Sheets, we need to go through Zapier. That's Zapier, Make, Publi, one of those solutions. We are going to use Zapier because so far is the easiest way to do the connection with Google Sheet. So I'm going to share the example with that. So we need to do the integration. We go here, we put the webhook. The webhook is working, and when we add the webhook endpoint, we can choose the agents we want to send data. Okay, in this case we are choosing Peter. Peter is going to send data to this webhook. So this part is done. We have the integration, we have the widget, we send data to Zapier, all that is done. Let's go to Zapier so you see how this is set up. In Zapier, we need to have the webhook. This is the endpoint we have that we copy to the widget. And let me edit. And we test, this is working. We are sending data to Zapier. After that, we choose the app is going to be Google Sheet. There are plenty of apps. We choose Google Sheet, and we want to create a new row in the spreadsheet. Okay, so far I think it's clear. We configure, we choose the Google Sheet, we choose the sheet, and then we choose the values we are going to send. For example, name, from this is the data we send to Zapier from the widget, and we need to map which fields we want to send to the Google Sheet. Okay, I think this is clear, but I'm going step by step so you can see it as clearly as possible. So we have name, we have the booking name, we have the gclit, we have there is a link to cancel the booking if you want. There is a booking end time, booking start time, the booking time zone, the country. So there is plenty of data, and of course you have all the comments and everything that you have in the widget. So all this data is going to be mapped in the Google Sheet. So in the Google Sheet we have the columns, and we are going to send the data as is here. I think this is clear, but I want to go like step by step so you can see how this works. Now let's do a test. Let me this is continue, but I don't think I need to publish because everything is done. I think if I close, if I reload, this should be working, or should I need to do it something? Okay, I choose this one. Gclit is here. Continue. This one is good. Continue. Gclit is here. Okay, continue. We say restep. I think it's working. don't know why I cannot publish. Okay, I hope this is working. Yes, this is working. This is the data we just sent. So we are going to make a new one. But I don't know why I cannot stay in. I don't know. I think it's published. I think it's published, but yes, okay. I think this is published. So let's do a new booking and we can see if this is working. We go here with Peter. We choose the 24th. This is our new lead. I put my phone number. I have a gig lead here just for testing. Something new. We send. This creates the booking. The booking is, I mean, by default is confirmed, so there is no need to confirm, but this is something we will add in the webhook for, for you to have, these extra elements. So this is the new lead. The new lead is already in the Google Sheet. So Zapier is working. The booking is being sent, from the widget to Zapier, from Zapier to the Google Sheet. So this is what you can have. Obviously, we need here status and payment status. Those are two things we need to add, so you can have, like a pending or confirm, and the same, not paid and paid. This is, this is data we are going to update, this week, so you can have everything in the Google Sheet. So, this is the question, this is the answer. Hope you like it, and, hope we can, continue working with you. Okay, so this is the two elements we are going to update in the, next days. Thank you. Bye-bye.